Okay, so here we are with the, if it's in picture, we've still not recovered the camcorder's tripod from the chapel. Oh, somebody there. So we've got the DNT Transit 40 from 1988 with the original up-down electret mic. Roger breaker. Roger breaker. Well, do you know, I think he got me then, but it might be somebody else. So horrible slider controls. Let's go to Mega Chippie channel. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger, I'll plug my extension speaker in.
Roger that, let me know when you're ready.
All I've got to do is that, hopefully. Put the set somewhere back where you can see it. Tango 21 ready.
Roger that, off we go.
Roger Dodger. So it's kind of noisy squelch, it's hissing all the time. You know, it's like cheap transistors.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that.
Do we have a sound control?
Oh, forgot. No, no, I don't. Not on this one.
Roger. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Sure.
Passing Ancaster service station 136.9, 139.9.
Roger on that.
Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Top of the hill, let's go down in towards Wilsford.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill. We'll just mention this train has got slider controls. Imagine how much fun they are to operate for squelch.
Yeah, not much. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Ready. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. The radio's doing a full 4 watt output.
The DNT Transit 40 from 1988. Over.
Yep, roger that. All received.
And on the patch original electric condenser mic over.
Roger. Right, we're now going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing. I'll add while I'm on the radio that we've got the connectors come through for making power leads for LCL communicator, Manor Kestrel, with those ones which have been obsolete for years and years and years. So it's not going to be cheap, but at least we can make some power leads now for those over.
Yep, roger that. I'll be fun making one of those for the first time.
Yeah, roger that. Better get the polarity right.
Yeah, it helps. At least it'll be a fusing line.
Some Cybernet sets use that power connector as well. Was it the Sapphire 4000 and is it the Barracuda HP 940, something like that then?
Yeah, roger that. Just stand by. We're passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Greyleys turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So I'm on this DNT Transit 40 from 1988 doing 4 watts output and on the original electric condenser microphone. This type of radio doesn't have low power, so that's all you get. Over.
Yep, roger that. Well, it was all received very nicely.
Roger, now I should have added destroying 1.15 amps for that 4 watt output. Off you go when you're ready.
Yep, roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger on that. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over
Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing.
Yep, 137.9 and 140.7.
Roger on that. Well, this has worked exceptionally well. Got jolly good receive, 0.2 microvolts. Crystal filters. Just got an annoyingly noisy squelch. That's it, thank you.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
10-10.
Tango 21 for Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. What's your petrol price there, please, over?
Yep, 137.9 and 140.7.
Roger on that. Well, this works exceptionally well. Got jolly good receive, 0.2 microvolts. Crystal filters. Just got an annoyingly noisy squelch. That's it, thank you.
Yep, roger that.
10-10. Yep, really good, just a noisy squelch. We'll go through to our base station, see what it sounds like.
Tango 21 testing the DNT Transit 40 with the factory original microphone into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And there we go. I think we've got a 3-char handheld. We've just got one of those Jamaica convoys to finish off, which is being a swine. And there we go. Thank you for watching.